Mastering performance improvement. Operational excellence demands alignment with strategic goals, lest it becomes a meaningless chase. When an organization seeks to achieve operational excellence, what are its current goals and objectives, and how do they align with the operational excellence imperative, to ensure that its pursuit of excellence is closely tied to its overall strategic objectives and key performance indicators, KPIs? To achieve operational excellence, an organization must clearly define its current goals and objectives, which should be closely tied to its overall strategic objectives and key performance indicators, KPIs. This alignment is crucial to ensure that the pursuit of excellence is focused on the right areas, and that efforts are not scattered or misdirected. First and foremost, the organization should establish a clear and concise vision statement that outlines its overall strategic objectives. This vision statement should be communicated to all stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and investors, to ensure that everyone is aligned and working towards the same goals. Next, the organization should define its operational excellence imperative, which outlines the specific goals and objectives that the organization aims to achieve through its operational excellence initiatives. This imperative should be developed in conjunction with the overall strategic objectives, and should be focused on achieving specific outcomes that support the overall vision. Some examples of operational excellence goals and objectives might include improving efficiency and reducing costs by streamlining processes and eliminating waste. Enhancing customer satisfaction by improving quality, delivery, and responsiveness. Increasing productivity and capacity by optimizing asset utilization and workforce efficiency. Reducing risk and ensuring compliance by implementing robust controls and governance practices. Improving supply chain resilience by developing strategic partnerships and diversifying sources. Once the operational excellence imperative has been established, the organization should develop a set of KPIs that will be used to measure progress towards these goals and objectives. These KPIs should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART, to ensure that they are clear and actionable. Some examples of KPIs that might be used to measure operational excellence include cycle time reduction, measuring the reduction in time taken to complete a process or task. First pass yield, measuring the percentage of products or services that meet quality standards on the first attempt. Overall equipment effectiveness, OEE, measuring the percentage of available production time that is used effectively. Customer satisfaction, measuring customer ratings and feedback through surveys and other feedback mechanisms. Cost savings, measuring the reduction in costs achieved through process improvements and waste reduction. To ensure that the pursuit of operational excellence is closely tied to the overall strategic objectives, the organization should establish a set of governance practices that oversee and monitor progress. This might include establishing a cross-functional steering committee to oversee operational excellence initiatives and ensure alignment with strategic objectives. Developing a set of operating principles that outline the organization's approach to operational excellence, and provide guidance on decision-making and resource allocation. Creating a set of standardized processes and procedures that outline the organization's approach to operational excellence, and provide guidance on best practices and continuous improvement. Establishing a system of accountability, where managers and employees are held responsible for achieving operational excellence goals and objectives, and are recognized and rewarded for their efforts. Finally, the organization should establish a culture of continuous improvement, where employees are empowered and encouraged to identify opportunities for improvement, and to develop and implement solutions. This might involve providing training and development opportunities to equip employees with the skills and knowledge needed to identify and address operational excellence opportunities. Establishing a recognition and reward system that acknowledges and rewards employees for their contributions to operational excellence. Creating a culture of open communication and transparency, where employees feel encouraged to share their ideas and concerns, and to collaborate with others to achieve operational excellence. Establishing a system of continuous feedback and evaluation, where employee suggestions and ideas are regularly reviewed and implemented, and where lessons learned are shared and applied across the organization. By following these steps, an organization can ensure that its pursuit of operational excellence is closely tied to its overall strategic objectives and KPIs, and that it is well on its way to achieving world-class performance and efficiency.